This is Nikki at DigiTease. I'm just going to teach you today how to make your affiliate site appear as secure so that you don't get the warning in the browser that a site is not secure. It's very easy. It takes about 3 minutes and I'll just run you through it now. So first you need to go to your log into your website and then go to domain settings, and you can see here that your primary domain is bikeauckland.digitease.co.nz and it's not, doesn't have the tick under secure socket layer. So to make that secure, we just go edit, change the name to Bike Auckland 2 and save. Then add a custom domain. I just copy and paste the original name and then take the 2 off and then go add. And then what you need to do is make that one the primary domain, so just click there and then click SSL. There says a free SSL certificate and then click save. And the reason why this doesn't do it automatically for each website that started is that there's just a limit on the amount of certificates that can be generated per day by our web developer. So that's why they ask it to be just manually done. And that's all you have to do. So you just have to, you can leave this one there if you want. At the moment it'll have the 3 yellow dots saying that it's waiting to deploy. If you come back in about half an hour there will be a tick there so that it will all be secure. And then when you type in bikeauckland.digitease.co.nz you won't get the this site is not secure warning. Anyway, I hope that helps. As always, get in touch with me if you have any questions. Thanks.